Hello everybody, if you don't know me, my name is Nate and I'm a 19-year-old dropshipper consistently able to make over $150 per day with dropshipping. In this video, I dedicate this one to the beginners. I have prepared a list of 20 winning products that will succeed if you test them during this month of March. Now, before we dive into the list, the link for the February winning products will be in the description down below. And if you'd like to have the document for the March winning products, 35 likes, and I'll drop the link in the description and in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's get started with the first product. Rotator forearm burning machine, which is used for working out your forearms, and you could also say that you can sell it to boxers to help them with their technique. Yes, all the products in the document that I will give out are listed like this with demographics, Facebook ads, UGC links. I'm really trying to provide value and have you see your first winning product. Now, who's my demographic? As I said, we can have normal fitness enthusiasts and gym goers, boxers, CrossFit athletes. Now, our second product is this foot callus shaver, and I found this one here on PP ads.
I went and bought me a foot callus remover, so this bad boy better work. Alright guys, let's do our feet and get them nice looking, okay? It's interesting. Even when you think your feet look okay,
and as you can see, this product basically just helps people shape their feet. Now, PP ads, if you don't know what it is just a little platform that allows you to view winning dropshipping products, and they provide you with all the links you'll ever need, all the ad copy, even the size of the image, the days the ad was ran. No, this is not a paid promotion. If I come over here to look at the product on PP ads in that database, it should bring me hundreds of UGC videos because these are all TikTok shop products. And as you can see here, look at all of this UGC, bro. Look at all this content. Not all of it is UGC, but there's a bunch. As you can see, here's another one. I'll have a link in the description down below where you can get set up with PP ads. Third product on the list was also found on PP ads, and these are the tan drops. Gives you a sun-kissed glow. Okay, makes your skin glow basically. As you can see, look at all of this content. You sell towards women because they're the ones who are more likely to buy cosmetics and such things. And look at this on PP ads. There's even a button to get the direct link to the product on CJ Dropshipping. Product number 4 is this menstrual cramp heater. And by looking at the video, this product helps with cramp pain during that time of the month, and it basically warms up the stomach, which I'm guessing alleviates the pain. And I like this product because it's evergreen. It's a problem that's never going to go away. And a few more target audiences are people with endometriosis or PCOS. So I guess that's some stuff that gives chronic pain, and new moms and postpartum recovery. Product number 5, also found on PP ads, is this leather repairing cream. So let's say you got a tear on your leather sofa or something, all you need to do is apply this product and the issue should be solved. For example, let's watch this video. A scratch, or maybe the leather just looks worn out, and this product makes it look brand new, as you guys can see here. Next, we have this hair styling set. And you guys might be about to ask me, isn't this product saturated? I've seen it everywhere. Yes, it's saturated, but only to one specific target audience. Everyone is selling this to white women, but no one is selling it to black women. So be the person that sells it to a black audience and you win. It's that simple. Few videos of it in use here. As you can see, it can do all different kinds of hairstyles. And if you wanted to target black women, all you have to do is just filter through all this content until you see a black person using the product. Wow, damn, looks like there isn't. But you do see my point, being that everybody is just selling it to a white audience. The next product we have on our list is this automatic jar opener. And the benefit of buying this product is that you can now open jars without using so much effort, because sometimes you might be trying so hard to open it that you drop the thing and break it. Or sometimes the jar is just closed too tight, so you could sell it to like women because they usually have that issue. It's closed too tight and they can't open it. Those are a few potential target audience. Let's see if there's any competitors. Look at that. None. No competitors. It's a free market. Next product is this defrosting tray, as you can see here. Now it may be branded in this video, but this is a product you can find very easily without the logo, because the only thing that this specific brand is doing is just organic marketing with the branded product. So this product essentially just helps you to heat up food, maybe when it's cold or something, and the cold season is coming to an end. You can still use the product to warm up defrosted foods. An angle I just thought of is you sell it to people that fear microwaves. You know, people always talk about health risks associated with using microwaves. So that could be your angle, that they should use this instead of using a microwave. Pair that up with a banger offer and all of a sudden you're printing money. The next product that we have on the list is this showering knee cap. Now, the purpose of this product is to protect your wounds. Like, let's say you were playing football or something, you got kicked in the shin, it has a wound, and when you go home and shower, water gets in the wound and messes up the healing process. This product solves that issue, and as you can see, it's even comparing it with like putting a cheap bandage on it, and it's just not the same. Yes, this product is on the list with a supplier link, with the links to all the competitors. Which are there any? No. Are there UGC? The links are right here, bro. Product number 10, the halfway point, is this under eye red light therapy product. So the purpose of this one is to reduce eye bags, get younger looking eyes. This one is saturated in the US, but you can solve that by just selling it in Europe or something. Put it up on a store with Klarna, Afterpay, and watch yourself print, because those are the kind of payment methods they love over there. Now we're at the halfway point in the video, and I just want to remind you guys that if you want this document with all the winning products, all the supplier links, all the links to the UGCs, all the links to the competitors' websites, then all you need to do is have this video hit 35 likes, and you get it early instead of having to wait until April. And in April, of course, there's gonna be another video like this, so all these products will be outdated. The next product is this shower shaving footrest. So a marketing angle for this is, as you can see, to just wash your leg easy in the shower, shave your leg in the shower. It's all up to you and how you decide to market the product, who you decide to sell it to. On to product number 12, we have this migraine relief ice cap, and the functionality is literally in the name. It relieves migraines, but of course it does a bunch more things, because relieving migraines is like the saturated angle that everyone is selling it to. So just figure out an angle that no one is using, pair that up with this product, and you're golden. Because the product works, it already has proven success. All you need to do is introduce it to a new audience. The next product we have is this U-shaped memory foam pillow. Now this is like a better alternative to the normal pillow that people wear when they're on flights to protect their head, because one, this one has memory foam. It helps you sleep with your mouth closed. Are there negative effects to sleeping upright with your mouth open? There they are, bro. See how valuable the document is. You guys can pause and read that. The next product on the list is this dog walking leash plus harness. Now this is a winning product because of three things actually. One, as you can see, the leash is retractable, so you can walk your dog freely, you know, you're not really pulling and choking on them. Second thing is you're not choking on them because it's a harness, not a chain, so it wraps around the chest. And the third thing is, right above here where the harness is attached, there's like a little compartment for putting water, so that you can keep your dog hydrated on the walk. The next product here is this solar powered hat fan. And bro, this is literally the definition of a winning product, bro. First of all, it's a hat, protects you from the sun. Second of all, it has fans to cool you down in the sun while you're being shielded from the sun at the same time. And better yet, those fans are solar powered. So you're standing in the sun and the sun is powering your protection from the sun. Do you see how crazy that is? Now, if you pair this product with a crazy angle this coming summer, I guarantee you're gonna get money, because I would buy this. Next product on the list is this arm pillow. So it's basically for breastfeeding mothers, just to help them hold the baby at a better angle, and that's about it. Product number 17 is this handheld steamer that helps you to iron your clothes wrinkle free and in a matter of seconds. So this one basically explains itself. It's more of like a travel kind of product, so you could put this up on a niche store targeting frequent flyers. Oh my god, that is a genius idea for a store. One of y'all better test that before I do. Trust me. Next product we have on the list is this mat for the sink that basically gives you more room to do your business while you're in the washroom, and then makeup, that is, or shaving kit. Use your imagination, figure out who you're gonna sell this to. Next product on the list are these compression packing cubes. So this would also go well on that travel store that I mentioned, and it basically helps the customer to pack all their different commodities in well labeled compartments. For this product on the document, I also included like the budget, the break-even ROAS, the profit per order, and all of that. And one of the potential target audiences for this would be people living in small spaces. And the final product on the list are these wrinkle removal and skin resurfacing patches. So this is a beauty product, and sell it to women that wish they looked younger, or women whose skin has sunk. And you're golden, because it's a beauty product. Women treat it like it's a matter of life and death, and they're willing to blow thousands of dollars on it. So as long as you're able to secure yourself a little piece of that pie, you're gonna be okay. And that's all for this video. Now those are 20 winning products for the month of March. Now I want you guys to go ahead and test them, and let me know in the comments down below how the product test went. Did you fail? Did you succeed? Were you profitable? Were you break even? Were you slightly unprofitable? Tell me everything, because I'd love to know. Maybe I'll even bring some of you guys on for a video and interview you about your success. Now guys, please subscribe. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers, and also on the road to getting monetized. And until next time, my brothers, stay hard, stay consistent, and don't ever give up. Peace.